Good morning, everybody. Last update, we talked about how we've gone several days without any rainfall, and that is starting to become a little bit on the concerning side as we're in this prolonged dry stretch. So for the month, about 1.5 inches of rainfall. We're at about 35.5 inches for the entire year, putting us about 2 inches above normal. But in the short term, things have been a little bit on the dry side. Latest drought monitor, we're still in great shape, but you can see all around us some abnormally dry and even a little bit of moderate drought starting to creep into the picture, and we are not expecting any rainfall across the tri-state here over the next 5 days, according to the Weather Prediction Center. So those drought conditions that were to our south, they may start to creep their way back into our area by the time we look at the next drought update, which comes out next Thursday. We'll have to keep an eye on it as we are looking at a fairly dry stretch of weather. And that does include today, with temperatures for the most part rising into the 80s, a day that is more typical for August 23rd. No more of that September weather for the next week or so. Notice with Futurecast, not too bad, some passing clouds as we go through the day, but that would be about it. High level clouds for the most part. You still should see plenty of sunshine. Nice and quiet tonight and waking up tomorrow morning with temperatures mid-60s, and then by the lunch hour we're back into the 80s. That's just, I think, some bad data with the models there. Not expecting any shower activity, just some high clouds for the most part. So upper 80s, right around average for this time of the year, with those passing clouds kind of coming and going. Most of us should stay shy of 90 outside of locations west of Kentucky Lake that might sneak up to 90 for an hour or two. Notice overnight lows here, much warmer than they've been the past couple of nights. Really no more lower to mid-50s. Now we're back into the mid-60s. Still comfortable, but not as crisp as it has been. And you look at the extended forecast, we may be able to hold the 90s at bay one more day on Saturday before they overtake the forecast as we get into Sunday and beyond, and really starting to warm up. Now, I checked, no record-breaking heat because it's still August, so a lot of the records are still well above 100, but still quite warm for the very end of August, with temperatures by Tuesday mid-90s.